how to find engagement rate on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now go to the bottom panel and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then go to Business Suite. Now, tap on Analytics. On this page, you can view your post analytics. In the Overview section, you can view the key metrics such as video views, reached audience, profile views. Now, tap on Engagement as shown. Here you can view the engagement rate for your likes, comments, or shares. You can also filter them by date range from here. Following these steps, you can easily find engagement rate on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.